Hello everybody! In this video you will see the process of creating colorful COCKATOOS T-shirt. It's not an easy design and it's not a design for the beginners, but if you want to learn how to paint on clothing, it will be very useful for you to watch this video, because you will see the whole process from the idea to the sketch and to the unique hand painting clothing. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to don't miss all the DIY and process videos which I post here regularly. Many unique hand painting clothing you can find in my Etsy shop. I put the link down below. So, let's begin! I chose for the painting red cotton t-shirt, and here is the sketch of the cockatoos I've painted, and I want to place them symmetrically on the both sides of the t-shirt. First, I will paint the birds on the t-shirt with pencil. Because of my t-shirt is red color, I need to paint an undercoat for the birds, and I will let the undercoat dry for an hour. With black paint I will paint the beaks and the eyes of the birds. Now I will paint the background. I will make it light blue and light green color. Now I will show you how I will paint the bird in detail. make the bird look more contrast, I will paint the background near it with dark blue color. Also, I will make the background more vivid. I decided to create the effect of light because I think it will add the magic to my design. Now I will paint the second bird in detail. I splatter the white paint to create stars. And the painting is finished. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to watch this design on the t-shirt for the beginners, here is the link. If you have any questions about painting or clothing, write to me, I will be happy to answer. See you, bye bye!